Let's create a first Python program using PyCharm. First open the PyCharm and then create a new project here. Let's call first program is our project name. And then click create button. This is going to create a project file in PyCharm. You can see that first program is our name of the file. This creates the virtual environment. There you go. First program is created. Let's close this. First program is created. So what you can do is right click here, new Python file. Let's call this file as hello world. Enter. So the hello world Python file is created for us. There you go. Here you can see. So let's create a single line program which is print open parenthesis and double quotes. You can use either double quotes or single quotes. Hello world. That's it. You have written first line of code in Python using PyCharm. You can run this file by running this run main, or you can run using right click and run hello world file. So let's run with right click and say, so there you can see hello world is printing here. So let's meet in the next lesson. Thank you.